Alright, so this is a 2004 Dodge Ram. So, are you having AC problem? Suppose you have cold AC on the driver's side, but not cold air in the passenger side. Most likely you have a problem with your AC motor fan. I'll show you right now. Before we didn't have cold AC on the passenger, but we did a little bit in the driver's side. So I'll show you right now the fan that's supposed to be spinning. If it doesn't spin, it's your motor fan that's down or broken. Alright, let's go ahead and show you that part. Alright, so yeah, as you can see, it has a lot of miles, but it still goes. Part you will be looking at this one right here. That's for the engine. You see it's clean. This one is for the AC condenser. This one right here. As you can see, it's spinning. This has to be engaged and spinning when the AC is on. And if it doesn't spin, this is the part you have to replace, the motor fan. Alright, so there you have it. Alright, so I don't know, it was hard to hear with the car on, but yeah, this little fan has to be spinning. If it doesn't spin, it's going to be your fan motor that's faulty. That has to be replaced. And of course, you have to have refrigerant. If this fan doesn't spin, yeah, you have to replace this fan motor. It's located, which is this one right here, as I mentioned earlier. Alright, so get that replaced and you'll have cold AC again. Alright, catch you in the next one. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright, I'll catch you in the next one.